In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Gmail. If you find yourself typing the same message over and over, templates will save you time and keep your emails consistent. I'll walk you through creating a template and using it in a new message. First, sign in to your Gmail account and open your inbox. Click Compose to start a new email. Before you write anything else, add a clear, recognizable subject. This subject doubles as the name of your template, so pick something you'll recognize later, like follow-up, project update. Now, draft the body of the email exactly how you want it to appear each time. Keep it generic and reusable. If certain parts will change, add placeholders such as name or date so you can spot them quickly when you reuse the template. Leave the to field empty for now. When your message looks good, move to the bottom right of the Compose window and open the three dots. More Options menu. Hover over Templates, then choose Save Draft as Template and select Save as New Template. A small prompt will appear. Confirm by clicking Save to store it. With the template saved, close the Compose window by clicking the X. Because you didn't add a recipient, nothing will be sent. Don't worry about saving a draft here. The template is already stored and ready to use. This extra step helps prevent accidentally emailing someone while you set things up. To use your new template, click Compose again to open a fresh message. Open the three dots menu, hover over Templates, and look for the title that matches the subject you chose. Click it and Gmail instantly fills in the subject line and the body with your saved content. From here, you're ready to send. Type the recipient's email address, replace any placeholders with real details, and make quick edits as needed. A couple of tips as you work. Keep your template concise and evergreen. Avoid including private or time-sensitive data. And check that your signature doesn't get duplicated if Gmail automatically adds one. If you ever need to refine the template, open a message, make your edits, and save it again from the same Templates menu to overwrite the old version. And that's it. You've created a Gmail template and used it to compose a message in just a few clicks. Once you set up a handful for your common replies, you'll be able to respond faster and more consistently every time.